Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and we told you we were going to put a ROI calculator on our website, and we have that completed now. And so we just want to give you a little short introduction to what that is so you can start playing with it. One thing to remember, this is not a financial plan, and yes, there are going to be a lot of expenses starting a business that aren't on here. What this does do, though, is give you an idea that when you're up and running, how much coffee would I have to roast a week to make it viable? And the way the calculator works is we actually put all the different models of roasters we have on there. So you can select that model. You can select how many pounds per week. I'll go through the list for you here shortly. And it'll basically calculate after labor and cost what your weekly profit would be. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And let's take a look at what this looks like. So for this example, I chose the Volenta 7, which is a drop-down menu where you can have the Volenta 7, Volenta 3, Volenta 15, and right down below it, you can set your electricity cost because all of our roasters are electric. So you can look on your power bill and find out what your kilowatt hours number is, your cents per kilowatt hour. Plug that number in, however many cents that is. Below that is the labor cost. So I set the labor cost here on this example at $20 an hour because you've got to pay yourself something, right? The raw material cost is a green bean cost. And one of the things I've talked about before in many videos is this, it's something you really have to manage because I've seen people get really creative with their green bean buying specialty lot beans that are $7, $8 a pound and really struggle with trying to make money. So I set the cost at $5, which is a little bit higher than I usually recommend you have for that cost, but we're going to use that number, $5. On the materials cost down below that, that would be for bags, labeling, things like that. And I plugged in a number of 50 cents because we can show you how to do your bags and labels for under 50 cents, but we set that number. And then you go to the pounds per week. And this is where it kind of gets interesting because in developing your business model, you want to determine how big you want to be. Because a lot of our customers do this in their spare time, have no intention of getting big. So I set a number at 150 pounds a week. That's one bag of coffee. And so we'll go down through and see what that generates. For the retail price below that, I set the retail price at $14 a pound for your coffee. Some people sell it for less, some people sell it for more. That's kind of a good average. And then over on the side, when you set all those parameters, over on the side, it calculates that and comes up with a number, which is your roaster cost per pound, your electricity cost, your labor cost, and right down below that is the number we're looking for, and that is basically your profit per week. The very bottom line on the calculator is the ROI, which is how many weeks would it take to pay the roaster off doing that? And again, these are ballpark because we put 150 pounds a week here. Are you going to sell 150 pounds your first week? No, you're not. And you probably already would have purchased your roaster. But that's what the roaster can do for an ROI once you get your business up and running. It doesn't take that long to pay for the equipment. So go to the website, take a look at it, plug in some numbers, have some fun with it. And if you have any questions, let us know.